Hey, this is Dazzle You. Today I'm going to show you light bulbs. Light bulbs and CFLs that are going on everywhere. GE, Home Depot, they all went with these yellow CFL or these yellow LEDs. Yellow. LEDs yellowy up here, over there. Well, the thing is, all you really need is a light bulb. CFL, these things are white. If I had to take one of those, put it in here, it'll be yellow. And it's like this whole thing, it's just you got these yellow walls, these yellow closets, these yellow lights, and then you get this. These things, I don't sell them personally, but like when I did go as a customer, try to find them, there was one box. There was like 5 rows of lights. All the stores, the major, the Lowe's, the Home Depots, the Walmarts, all them big stores that they have everywhere. Well, anyway, these are blue. There's only one box you can get of them, and they do make a huge difference. And they're not yellow, they're not super bright white. So when I do lights, we also got to include recessed lighting. Fan LEDs. These are also nice for outdoors. They picked a nice little ambery yellow. You got to remove the popcorn ceiling. These people that spray the popcorn ceiling up here, and then they install these terrible closets, and then they forget to do the trim. That's just a lot of cuts. But one of my main complaints in the new home designs, anyway, is that a lot of them they seem to be modeled in a certain way where you can't ever get 2 big rooms. It's like the living room is the bedroom, and the bedroom is the spare room, and the spare room is the closet, and the closet is the other room. Almost as if there are suites in a lot of these. Almost like they're just left for remodeling or selling, like almost studios in a way, for like 200 or 150 or whatever. But anyway, in the designs, everything that goes in the houses, these people out here selling, saying that they're all the LEDs. They went with LEDs, and all of a sudden, everybody went with LEDs. 5, 6 store shelves. Well, I think somebody went fishing. They stuffed the store with 8 rows of fishing. When we went to hair, they stuffed the store with 4 rows of hair products. When we went in there and looked for brand names, you can't find the ranches and all that. Don't get in there. I'm saying away from all this food, the shopping, retail, all this other garbage. I'm just doing a project. So what you do is you turn them off. Okay. And then whoosh, nice and bright. So that's my project. I hope you all like the brightness. It's a good project. Really makes a difference. Thank you.